Welcome to RB's Diecast Garage. Let's see what we got today. Today we got a very special product. It's Ford Bronco and the make is Shadow Pro. Let's look at the box quickly. I have high hopes from this casting. Let's quickly open it and see how it goes. To be honest, I am really fan of a few brands like this Shadow Pro, and then we got GCD, then Para 64. They got very good castings, very good product, a lot of detail on it, and even the car looks almost like a real car. So in the box we got an acrylic case with branding, and here we got the car. You know what's special about this car? Let's quickly look at the car and then I'll tell you that. Okay, so this is a nice left, then the front with Bronco written there on the grille, the lights on the top, and at the back it looks amazing. Now let's look at it from the bottom. The nice metal silencer, and the best part about this car is the suspension. Look at it, like it's in an actual SUV. Independent suspension. I like this particular thing, and the best part is the roof goes off and you can look at the car inside. Wow, amazing. The tires are pretty good, the alloys are fine. There's a skid plate, and let's have a look at the grille from the front. Nice casting. The shockers are pretty good. Let's keep an obstacle and see how they behave. That's amazing. I'm not sure if we are getting a good angle, but this is really good. So that's all for this car. Thank you for watching RB's Diecast Garage. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.